Hey guys, my name is David Pindo. They also call me TipsWithDav, and here we are with another cryptocurrency video. So you've heard of Bitcoin, Ethereum, maybe even some altcoins, guys, like Dash, Monero, or even Litecoin. But have you heard of a stable coin? Well, in this video, we're going to be talking more about stable coins, specifically USDT, also known as Tether. Let me begin, guys, by saying that I'm not a financial advisor, nor am I a cryptocurrency expert. I've just had 3 to 4 years of experience in trading cryptocurrency, and I thought I'd make these videos on a Monday for you guys so that you learn a little bit more along the journey that I'm on. So there is no financial advice on this channel, and it's just been a pure joy to share this information with you. So if you like this kind of educational content, consider subscribing and hit that bell notification so that you get notified for future videos. In short, guys, cryptocurrencies like Bitcoin, Ethereum are based on or are backed by supply and demand. However, stable coins are backed by fiat currency. So that's the most simplest way I can explain it. Okay, so one is backed by the supply and demand, where obviously when the demand goes up, the supply is limited, therefore the price goes higher, and this fluctuates with the pricing. With a USDT Tether or a stable coin, that does not happen. Now, the reason why that does not happen is that it's very much connected or is backed by fiat currency. So it's connected directly to the US dollar. In this case, US dollar Tether was started in order for it to be connected to the US dollar. Now, it is still a cryptocurrency, don't get me wrong, okay? A Tether is still a cryptocurrency. However, since it's a stable coin, what are the effects, or rather, what is the reason for it to actually exist in the marketplace? One, it helps with the trading, okay? So for example, I myself, when we say buy a Bitcoin low and sell it high, you're exchanging US dollar Tether for Bitcoin when it's low, and then when Bitcoin goes back high, you're selling the Bitcoin for US dollar Tether, and then you can withdraw the amount whenever you want. Okay, so that's the whole idea of the trading, buying low and selling high kind of aspect to it. Now, I don't want to go into details because it is a bit confusing to share on a video like this, right? I want it to be educational. So US dollar Tether, in short, is connected firstly to the US dollar. Okay, so it's a stable coin, and the reason why this coin exists, guys, is to remove the volatility. So cryptocurrencies in general, the history of cryptocurrencies in general, have always had a high volatility, and it still has a high volatility aspect to it. Okay, this is why traders are attracted to it sometimes, and this is also where people can win or lose a lot of money. Again, I'm not a financial advisor, but what I'm sharing with you in this video is simply just the thoughts behind why a stable coin is needed also. So many times, to protect the trader, to protect the volatility, but to protect the people who are actually purchasing these cryptocurrencies, a US dollar Tether was introduced, and that was the aspect behind it. Now, I personally believe, in terms of a long-term work of or use of cryptocurrency, that when it goes to a certain level of adoption in the marketplace, or institutionalization, as I say, in the world, then these stable coins really won't be much of use, because the cryptocurrencies will become the main stable coins, if you understand what I'm trying to say. Okay, so the roles might get reversed. Remember, USDT or US dollar Tether was initiated to solve the problem of volatility. Now, that being said, they are still on different kinds of blockchains. Another thing that people don't know about US dollar Tether, they think it just magically exists. No, it is a cryptocurrency, guys. It is a cryptocurrency, and it exists on various blockchains. So if I'm not mistaken, it exists on the Tron blockchain for sure, 100%. Even I don't know all the blockchains that it does exist. You can do a Google search and find out. But definitely it exists on the Ethereum blockchain. Now, what this basically means is that the US dollar Tether is connected to the Ethereum ERC20 token. It's created on an ERC20 token. Now, if you want to know what an ERC20 token is, we can make another video on that, guys. But today, just for you to understand, an ERC20 token is the technology behind the tokenization of Ethereum. So there are a lot of other tokens or other coins or cryptocurrencies that are created, altcoins that are created on an ERC20 token technology. US dollar tether is one of them. So when I'm sending US dollar tether or when I'm withdrawing US dollar tether, I'm usually paying a gas fee, okay? And that gas fee is what is called the gas fee for paying the transaction on the Ethereum blockchain itself. So that's the main use of that gas fee. So you have a US dollar tether, but you need some Ethereum with you in order for you to transfer that US dollar tether to another US dollar tether wallet. Okay, so I hope you guys understand the, it's a little bit complex, but obviously there are different kinds of USDT tokens or tether tokens. Okay, it doesn't have to just be ERC20. The most popular one is ERC20, and most of these exchanges, wallets, etc., they all have US dollar tether tokens. So I hope this video gave you more of an insight on what USDT is. Again, as I said, it's not like the other videos that you're going to find out there. I'm somebody who's been in this space for some time, and I'm trying to articulate it in a very simple manner, because for me it was complicated in the beginning to understand all these different aspects. So if you want to learn where I started to learn, guys, what I would suggest is checking out the first link in the description. It's a completely free method that you can learn to start trading. If you're a complete newbie like myself, when I started 3 years ago, that is something that I would suggest to have a look at, okay? It gives you the idea, it gives you a free strategy so you can start profiting right, from the get-go, or rather start practicing to trade right from the get-go. Obviously, like I said, trading is a skill set. And this channel, guys, if I didn't mention it before, this channel is all about learning skill sets so you can pave the way for your dreams to come true. And one of those skill sets is trading. Right now, I'm talking about cryptocurrency trading specifically. So if anything in this video struck out, you have any comments, any feedback that you want to give me, please do feel free to comment below, like the video, and also consider subscribing if you like this content. Guys, have a great day. Keep paving the way for your dreams to come true. Tune in next Monday for another cryptocurrency video. Otherwise, you'll have on a Wednesday, and then on next week, on the weekend, I'll have a video out related to marketing and funding your skill sets. So stay tuned for that. Have a great week ahead, guys, and keep paving the way for your dreams to come true.